PC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a nice sunny start to the week, albeit on the chilly side, and tonight even colder. Temperatures heading for the freezing mark, so better have the plants protected and the pets have a warm place to stay. Don't need to worry about the pipes, however. Not going to be that cold. Beautiful day today, lots of sunshine, a breeze as well, and if you got in the shade, it felt quite chilly, but in the sun, not too bad. And tomorrow, the winds are going to be very light, and that means it's going to feel warmer than the actual readings outside if you're standing in the sun. So let's take a look at the big picture, set up what's going on. This weekend's weather system, slow mover thanks to that upper level low that is still producing some precip in the mid-Atlantic. That's why our clouds were locked in through yesterday, and we have a similar setup going into Thursday with a wet weather system and then clouds lingering Friday. The upper level low right here off the west coast of the U.S., but some strong jet stream energy here is going to be diving into this system, and it's all going to come together across Texas into Louisiana in the form of an area of low pressure across the high plains. More on that in just a bit. Meanwhile, it's been relatively quiet. Still some lingering precip and even some snow as you get into portions of North Carolina, even as far south as Alabama. Earlier today, there was a little bit of a wintry mix with some of the rainfall, but here locally, skies finally clearing out, allowing for that sunshine, but also with high pressure moving in. That means very light winds and setting up for excellent radiational cooling tonight. Temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s this morning. It was a little bit colder off to the north where it cleared out earlier, and then temperatures in the mid 50s this afternoon, but starting to settle down quickly temperature wise. Meanwhile, conditions offshore still choppy out here, but settling down nicely for tomorrow. Light winds and low seas as high pressure moves in right overhead. So it's going to be a cold start tomorrow morning. Temperatures right around the freezing mark. We'll say about 31, 32 is going to be the low in Lafayette, but elsewhere a little bit colder, and that high pressure sticks around all day long tomorrow, so very light winds with temperatures getting into the 50s, more than likely the upper 50s tomorrow afternoon, and with those light winds it will feel certainly milder. High pressure begins to move off to the east tomorrow night into Wednesday, so that should bring a return flow from the Gulf of Mexico, so milder temperatures expected through Wednesday morning. So I think after tonight you can uncover the plants, upper 30s, perhaps lower 40s, and that's going to occur like at 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow night. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, partly sunny skies, some dull sunshine out there, milder temperatures for sure as readings get into the mid to upper 60s. Opening it on up, bringing in the European model here going into Thursday. That's how it looks. Rain, some embedded thunder as well. Too early to tell if there's going to be a severe weather threat like this weekend. It was a marginal situation at best. I think that's what we see again on Thursday. Maybe not quite as wet as this weekend's weather system where we had 2 to 3 isolated amounts as high as 7 or 8. I was over toward southwest Louisiana. This one looks to be about 1 to 2. Slow moving system. There's the clouds lingering for your Friday, and temperatures I don't even think get into the 50s. I think we stay in the 40s all day long on Friday, but at least for the weekend the clouds begin to burn off. Saturday looks nice, and Sunday as well, although we'll probably see plenty of high clouds. A little bit of a frontal boundary up here to the north may drop in for Monday, but we're not expecting any big weather systems after our Thursday system. It's mostly going to be a rain event. Here's the European model. Not overly optimistic on rainfall exceeding about an inch, but we're going to say 1 to 2. GFS model earlier today was showing closer to about 2 inches of rain, so we'll go with that 1 to 2 rainfall, and then you can have a lot of variation with some folks catching a half an inch, other folks catching a lot more, and that's the nature of these weather systems as well. So the big story for tonight, temperatures getting down into the mid to upper 20s. We'll say Alexandria 26 degrees, 28 Ville Platte, Bunkie, and Opelousas, and again temperatures below freezing for about 3 or 4 hours. Not enough to do damage to your pipes, but certainly put a hurt on the plants and the pets for sure. Temperatures right near freezing. We'll say 31 in Lafayette, a little bit milder over toward Lake Charles, even more so Cameron by the water, but look at this, solid freezing temperatures all the way down to the south. And with all the moisture in the ground from the rains this weekend, we're going to see a good frost tomorrow morning. I think there's going to be some pretty white scenes out there, so have your cameras ready to go tomorrow morning. Temperatures mid to upper upper 50s for your high tomorrow afternoon after that chilly start. Again, upper 30s, lower 40s tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon we'll see readings getting into the mid to upper 60s. So clear, cold night with the light freeze, frost likely. Just your plants and pets. That's another P in there. Why not? 31 the low. I'm just going to stop and move on. Pleasant winter day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, feeling milder. Light winds will make it feel even warmer for sure, as we mentioned. Now, as we go down the road, a transition day Wednesday starts off mostly sunny, but finishes off mostly cloudy. Rainy day, could be an all-day rain situation on Thursday, but minimal severe weather threat and not looking at a flood threat. And then as we head into the weekend, this time around, we'll see a little bit more sun. That's almost guaranteed compared to last weekend where we saw zero sunshine. Right. So that's an easy forecast. May not be a whole lot of sun, but it will be more cheerful than this past week.
Very good. That was plants and pets, right?
Yes, plants.